I've been looking at Islam since I was 16 years old, and I really do think that we need a fundamental debate in the House of Commons and the House of Lords about some of the fundamental tenets of the various forms of Islam to make sure that they fall in line with British law. Now, over the last 40 years, we've sort of assumed that that everything would be fine. However, if you look at some of the fundamental tenets, I'm quite sure they don't fall into line. For example, we have freedom of religion in the UK. Now, if a fundamental tenet of an organisation didn't support freedom of religion, then you'd be in a very unusual position where one religion wouldn't be believing in freedom of religion. Of course, this wouldn't be allowed in the UK. So there are some other things that we need to look at. We have 80 plus Sharia councils in the UK, not Sharia courts. But for example, if you're from the Shiite community, the religious leader there would be the Ayatollah Khomeini. Now, you can access his legal books. They're written in Arabic, not in Farsi or Persian, so quite hard to get hold of, but you can translate them, and they absolutely provide no provision of safety for anyone. It would absolutely not be supported by the UK. So here's the point. You can have an organisation that's completely peaceful, but their underlying tenets may not be peaceful, and that is where we need the clarification. The statements that, well, we don't support this underlying tenet, we believe in whatever. Now, I do think this needs to take place, and I think we've sort of assumed that it's been done, and I don't believe that the proper legwork has been done on this issue. We really need a debate in the House of Commons and in the House of Lords to make sure that we can differentiate between radical Islam, and which obviously nobody wants, and peaceful Islam, so that we can understand the differences. I don't think we've done our diligence on this, and I think we really need to very quickly do proper legal diligence on these organisations. So a big shout out to my Muslim friends, my non-Muslim friends, my Jewish friends, my non-Jewish friends, my Christian friends, my non-Christian friends, my Pentecostal friends, and hopefully that we can get some sort of debate and the correct work done on this issue, so that we can all be united and everything can go well.